So hey guys.
Hey guys.
Today we have, what do we have, buddy?
Okay.
It's a Hot Wheels car, and what kind of car is it?
A Simpsons.
It's a Simpsons car. It's the Homer.
Should you open it up?
Okay, I'll open it up.
I'll open it up for you.
Oh, you're going to open it up for me. We'll just move that Batmobile out of the way from earlier.
I'm opening it.
Do you need some help? It's a bit of a tricky package.
Help.
Okay. What do you say, buddy?
Help.
Help, please? Okay.
It's Simpsons.
It's the Homer.
It's from the Simpsons.
It is from the Simpsons, yep.
Let's pull this bit.
Okay, pull that bit off. Anything exciting on the packaging?
Well, this one fits.
Now let's show everyone the car. Look at the car. So it has the bit where the parents sit in the front and the kids sit in the back, and the big spoiler. Wow.
Dad, do you have this one?
Yeah, so I get the Simpsons. I get the Homer. Ooh. And this is a special one as well. We have a Batmobile.
Daddy,
So is that it, buddy? Are we done? Should we say goodbye?
goodbye.
Bye. Until next time for Emerson's Unboxings.